I can't wait to get to class today. I'll learn so much. What the? What? Oh!
Don't worry, we have a solution.
Really?
Yeah, you bet. It's called Kirby the Curb Climber. Have you heard of it?
No, what is that?
I'll tell you.
Kirby has two arms attached to the wheels powered by a motor. When the user pulls up on the lever, Kirby the Curb Climber will lower it to the ground and then the user will turn on the motor. The motor will power the shaft, which has 4 inner hubs, and the hubs will go under the wheelchair to allow users to roll over curbs.
So, how does that sound?
That sounds awesome. I can't wait to get mine.
Wait, I want one too! Great, everyone can pre-order today. Get yours!
Pre-order now and get yours today. Comes with a free sticker of Kirby.
Boom, boom, boom.